So I wanted to quick show you this Honda 4-man rear brake setup that I did to help with the brake lever moving back. You'll see that I have put a spring right here with a little washer in front of it. So this washer actually catches the end of the cable crimp and it just presses against there. And then you put a larger spring. This spring is a 1/2 inch OD. I don't have the exact specs on it. It's 1.75 to 2 inches long. And it's got a 0.55-inch wire. So it was kind of compressible by my fingers. I'll see if I can find one that's close and put it in the link in the description. But this really helps. The feel of the levers are about the same. I put this one on the foot pedal, just so it has a little more tension there. But you know, since this is pushing back, it's also giving you a little bit more pull on the hand pedal. But this spring just helps push this back so your brakes aren't dragging. So hope this helps. Good luck. Thank you.
If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.